Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of March's Boxycharm Boxyluxe box here. So yes, I'm just going to show you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. But to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So if I remember correctly, they upped the price. This is now $60, I believe, a box for this box now, which is like every 3 months you get the option for the Boxyluxe box if you're subscribed to the base box. So instead of getting your base box, you pay more and get this box. So here's the card, and the theme is just Spring Luxe, which I'm surprised they didn't do something more like, I don't know, spring themed, you know, like floral kind of theme. It just kind of seems plain in my opinion, but it's just the card. I don't really care that much. Anyways, so gonna start unboxing it. So first thing I'm seeing in here is from Frank Body, and I have gotten a couple of things from them before in Boxycharm. So this is the Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator, and it's got a cute little bum right here. I'm guessing it's some kind of like body scrub, I think is what it is. Yeah, it's supposed to help to reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage. And I think it has coffee in it. If I remember, that seems to be their thing, is they have like coffee body scrubs. It is really in a cute packaging, I will say that. It looks like a little coffee cup, which is really cute. And right there it says, "But first, coffee." Like butt, like in your booty butt. But anyways, it's pretty cute. It's got a little tushy on the cup. Or the lid, too. It's pretty cute. Anyway, so it's just sealed up. I'm not going to open it yet. I probably will go ahead and use this. I'll just stick this in my shower. I'm not a huge fan of scrubs, body scrubs, but maybe I'll get into them. It has been kind of dry here, and I probably do need to, like, exfoliate, so that's nice to have. Alright, and then the retail price on this is $19.95. Then I see something here from Complex Culture, which is another brand that we see fairly often. Not a whole lot, but I've gotten quite a few things from them in my box. And this is the Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist, which I don't know what that means. I guess blue light is becoming like a, I don't know, kind of like a trendy thing to be like having in your skincare. I see a lot of skincares that say it's blue light protective, you know, from us looking at our phones and everything. The blue light is harmful and all that. I don't really know how much I believe in that, but I'll give it a try. So here's what the bottle looks like. The bottle's pretty nice looking. It is like a nice gray bottle here. I don't know if you can put this over your makeup. Like, I think it's like a moisturizer in a way. I don't really know. I'll have to look into this. It doesn't say that it can be used over your makeup, so I'm assuming it may just be like a skincare thing. I don't know. Anyways, this retails for, let's see. This retails for $32, which I think is kind of pricey, but whatevs. Then I'm going to move on to one of my choice items, and what I chose was this palette here from Iconic London, and this is the multi-use sculpting palette. I believe this is a cream palette. I don't typically like cream products, but I did go ahead and choose this one because I think the other option was skincare, and I always choose makeup over skincare. I prefer more heavy on makeup side than skincare side. That's just my preference. Here is the palette. It's super shiny. Iconic London always has this super shiny packaging, which is really pretty, but it does get smudged. You know, it does look smudgy after a while from your fingerprints, and it's hard to show it on camera. Anyways, here is what it looks like. Looks like a nice cream palette. I don't think I'll be keeping this, honestly. I don't know, I'm just not into cream products, and although this does look nice, I just have a feeling that I'm going to touch it, I'm going to use it maybe once, and that's probably all I'm going to use it, is get the use out of it. It's probably just one-time use. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and pass this on to probably a friend. I have someone in mind that would probably want this, so I'll just pass this on to her. This retails for $49, and it does say it is a new launch item, which I think is really cool that we're getting new launch items and boxes lately. So normally I would try out the makeup products on my face from the box beforehand, but I decided not to because there's really not that many makeup products that, you know, I don't know. This is a bare box, and usually the Boxyluxe box, I don't try the items out, but like my base and my premium, I'll usually try the products out. Anyways, just a little side note there. So moving on, here is another product that I customized in the box, because you're allowed to customize 2 products in the box. So this is from Glow Recipe, and then this is the Papier Sorbet Enzema Cleansing Balm. I probably butchered the crap out of that, but anyways. Glow Recipe is a pretty good brand for skincare. At least that's what I've heard. And I've tried some things from them, and I do like them. So anyway, so you get this nice big kind of glass bottle balm here, and it does come with like a little spoon here. I do like cleansing balms, so I'm pretty curious to try this out. I've not tried it before. So it's really heavy though. The bottle's heavy. So there's that. And that retails for $32. Alright, so we're almost done. 4 more products. I'm going to get the rest of the skincare out of the way. So next up we have from Rin Clean Skincare. This is a Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Here's what it looks like. It's a nice little pump bottle, which I do like products being pump. This looks pretty nice. I mean, it's a pretty decent size. I mean, it's not huge, but for eye creams, you don't usually need that much. So this retails for, holy crap, this retails for $49. Alright, I take it back. For $49, this should have been a lot bigger. In my opinion, I never understand the prices for skincare. It's so overpriced in my opinion. But anyways, $49 for this little baby here. Wow. Alright, moving on. Then we have something here from Give Them Lala Skin. And these are Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks, is what it says. How many come in here? I think there's only 4 in here. I don't know. Anyways, this retails for $30, and this is a new launch product. I'm not a huge sheet mask person, but I'll give them a try, or if I don't, I'll just pass them on to a family or friend or something. I'll find somebody that'll use them, so, but, yeah, it's an okay item to get, I guess. Alright, last 2 products. I'm saving the best for last, but anyways, moving on from something from Lawless. It is Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, and this retails for $25, and this is a new brand to Boxy, so that's cool. So it's in the shade Rosy Outlook. Oh, that's a really cute bottle. It's like a little frosted glass little bottle there. It looks like it's a pink kind of shade. I don't know, let's see. Looks kind of clear to me. Yeah, it's just a clear gloss. But, you know, glosses are nice. I'm not sure about the whole plumping thing. I typically don't like products that do plumping. I just don't like the tingling feeling. And sometimes some of them can be kind of, I don't know, really strong tingling. And those are the ones I definitely do not like. So hopefully it won't be one of those, like, overpowering tingling. I don't mind a little tingle, but when it's almost painful, I don't like those. Alright, so I saved the best for last, and we actually got a Natasha Denona palette, which I was super excited to see in the box. So this palette is called the Cupid Eyeshadow Palette. And it is actually, in fact, a Boxycharm exclusive, so I believe that means that you can only get it through Boxycharm, which is really cool. I kind of like that. I mean, sure, I like to get existing palettes already, but at the same time, if they kind of like collab with makeup brands to make exclusive items for the boxes, I really don't mind that, because Natasha Denona is pretty good quality in my opinion. Alright, so this retails for $48, and this is a 5-pan shadow. Let me give you guys a close-up. I'm surprised that they actually didn't have this like in the February box. I think this would probably have been perfect for like Valentine's, a themed box, but we got it in March, which I don't really care. I'm just saying. Just reminds me very much of like Valentine's Day kind of vibes here. But it looks like a really pretty palette. I will go ahead and swatch a couple of shades. Yeah, the quality feels really nice. at least for the shimmers. And then I'll do a couple of the mattes. Yeah, very pigmented, so I'm excited to use this. There they are swatched. So it looks really, really nice. I really like the look of this shade right here. So yeah, I'm really excited to see this in the box, and I'm really excited to use it. Alrighty, so that's everything in the box, and I'm just going to tally up the price to let you guys know the overall value of what I got today. And then after that, I will give you guys my final thoughts on the box. Alright, so the overall value for my box was $284.95, which is not too bad considering I only paid $60 for it. So overall value-wise, I did get my money's worth. So let me run through everything one more time. So I do feel like, you know, this box was pretty heavy on the skincare over makeup, because we only got about 3 makeup products out of the 8. I got 5 skincare products, unless this is supposed to be a makeup product, which I don't think it is. It doesn't say anything like it's a setting spray. It just says, you know, defense mist, and it says it's supposed to moisturize or something like that. So I'm thinking this is more skincare side. So I'm not going to count this. So 3 makeup products, and then 5 skincare products. So I do wish it was heavier on the makeup side. I feel like if it was heavier on the makeup, I would have really felt like I got my money's worth. Yeah. So skincare wise, I think the only thing I'm most looking forward to is probably this cleansing balm. I'm excited about this. I don't like sheet masks, so I'm not really, it's kind of meh. This, I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Like I said, I don't really get the whole blue light thing. So this is kind of another meh product. I do really like Complex Culture. I do like the brand a lot. I just don't know how I feel about this product. So I'll give it a try. Eye creams are always nice to get. I do have a butt ton of them right now. So this is another kind of item. I mean, if I didn't have eye creams, I'd be pretty happy about getting this. But it's just kind of like, it's nice to have. But yeah, I don't go through them very fast. And then this body scrub is interesting, but like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about body scrub. So I'd say this is an okay product. Like, I'll use it and I'll see how I like it, but I don't know if I'm going to love it kind of thing. But makeup-wise, I think my favorite product is, of course, the Natasha Denona palette. So this is what I'm most excited about in this whole entire box. But yeah, so do I think it was worth it? Yeah, I think it was worth it, mostly because you got an exclusive Natasha Denona palette. This is really the selling point for me, is the Natasha Denona palette part. I mean, this is $48 itself, so, yeah, I probably could have bought it and saved some money if I'd just gotten the palette. But like I said, this is a Boxycharm exclusive, so I wouldn't even be able to get this palette on its own. I was just thinking, like, retail value-wise, this is only $48, and the box is $60, but you get a lot of bonuses with buying the box, so I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, the only complaint is I just wish it was more heavier on the makeup side than skincare side. But that's just a personal preference. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box. Do you guys agree with me? Do you disagree? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!